Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're going to be cooking a beef and pork lasagna. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Heat a saucepan on a medium-high heat and add the onion, garlic, beef and pork. Continue to stir until everything is nicely browned and the meat is no longer pink. Now add in the tomato puree, chopped tomatoes, passata and water. Definitely Italian dish with this much tomato. Give it all a stir and add in the basil, Italian herbs, fennel seeds, salt, sugar and half of the fresh parsley. Mix it all together and bring to a gentle simmer. Cover and leave for around an hour and a half, stirring occasionally. Fill another saucepan with enough water to cover the lasagna sheets. Bring it to the boil and drop the sheets in to cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. Now remove them and place into cold water to stop the cooking process. Place to one side. In a mixing bowl, thoroughly combine the ricotta, egg and salt. Set to one side. Once the meat has finished simmering, you're ready to assemble the lasagna. But before you do, set the oven to preheat to 190 degrees. Take a casserole dish and evenly spread a third of the meat on the bottom. Add a layer of lasagna sheets, followed by half of the ricotta mix. Layer half of the mozzarella on top, followed by another third of the meat, and top that with half of the parmesan. Now repeat with lasagna sheets, followed by ricotta mix, mozzarella, meat, and finally topped with the remaining parmesan. Hopefully your casserole dish was deep enough. Cover the dish with a sheet of foil. If it touches the cheese, lightly grease it to prevent sticking. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake for a further 25 minutes. Sprinkle the top with the remaining parsley and leave it to cool for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. What better comfort food is there than a hearty slice of lasagna, especially when it's been made from scratch at home. Buon appetito! Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.